Behind the scenes, calculating the cost of laser cutting parts involves a detailed and systematic approach to ensure accuracy, consistency, and efficiency. At Smart Cut Quote, we have streamlined this process to make it both user-friendly and robust. The process begins with analyzing the imported drawing. Whether the file is DXF, DWG, or similar formats, the software evaluates the geometry and identifies critical details, such as contours, cut lengths, and additional features like etching or engraving. This initial analysis forms the foundation for precise cost estimation. Once the drawing is analyzed, the user selects the material grade and thickness. This step is crucial, as material properties significantly influence the cutting speed and cost. Our software delves into an extensive material library to fetch accurate data, ensuring the selected material is matched with the necessary attributes like density, cost per unit, and cutting compatibility. The next step involves applying this data to the individual parts. Smart Cut Quote factors in the cutting length and features, such as holes or intricate patterns, to calculate the processing time. Additional operations, such as etching or marking, are also considered, providing a comprehensive view of the cost breakdown. Our unique feature allows businesses to set up their own costing strategies. Users can create tailored pricing models based on customer-specific discount tiers or volume-based pricing. This ensures flexibility and enables businesses to adapt to different customer requirements while maintaining profitability. Smart Cut Quote ensures consistency across quotes, regardless of who creates them. By standardizing the process and using a centralized library of data, every team member produces quotes aligned with the business's pricing strategy. This eliminates discrepancies and fosters trust with customers, knowing they receive consistent pricing. Smart Cut Quote takes the complexity out of laser cutting cost estimation, offering a powerful yet intuitive tool that enhances precision and saves time, while empowering businesses to deliver accurate and consistent quotes.